Guys, welcome back to my channel Has School Library. So yeah guys, I hope everyone are safe and healthy. So today I hope by seeing the thumbnail you all have got. So as that I'm gonna cook. So cooking I don't know much as I'm just studying school. So I don't know much how to cook and all. I'm just gonna follow my granny's instructions and I'm gonna to cook it. So I'm just trying to cook the potato nuggets. So I hope it tastes good. So yeah guys, so without wasting the time, let me go into the video. So yeah guys, we have so many ingredients. So first we have here cheese. So I have to just poke it out and you have to just scribble. And here we have potato, and here we have the corn flour, salt, ginger garlic paste, coriander, chili and chaat masala. And here we have some chili flakes and pepper. At last here we have our breadcrumbs. So yeah guys, previously we saw that what are the ingredients, everything we saw. So now we are gonna start cooking. So in this bowl I have the potato which is mashed. So now I'm gonna put the first thing that. So here we have our cheese. So I'll just put the cheese, okay? I'll put the cheese. Don't mistake me, it's the first time I'm cooking, please guys. So I have completed putting the cheese. So next what we have to put means, so here in this plate we have the ingredients as I told. So first I'm gonna put the ginger garlic paste, okay? Ginger garlic paste, and next we have our spicy, the chili flakes. So I'm just gonna add. This is your wish. How much ever you want, you can put it, okay? So guys, I have put some chili, okay? The chili flakes. So next we are gonna add the second thing is that chaat masala, okay? I'm gonna add something 1 teaspoon, okay? 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. And next we are gonna add the chili powder, okay? This is your wish. Already we have added the chili flakes. How much you want, you can add, or this is your wish. I need some spicy food, so I'm just adding more chili powder, okay? Okay. So next we have the salt. So salt we are gonna put. I'm thinking to put this much. So yeah guys, after adding at last we are gonna add the coriander, okay? So I'm just taking a punch, okay? A punch of coriander, I'm adding like this. And next we are gonna add our bread crumbs which I showed you. So it's your wish how the drought used to come. So like that you can add. I'm just using my hands to put it, okay? Like this I'm gonna add some 2 punches like that. I'm gonna add. I need more crispy. How much ever crispy you can add that much, okay? Don't mind it. So now I'll be showing you from upward, okay guys? So yeah guys, this is the level we got. So I'm just gonna mix it like this. So mix it well when you will get a good draft, okay? Like this. Please don't mind it how I'm mixing, really I don't know to mix, okay? So make it rough and I'll come back to you, okay? So yeah guys, we completed doing like this draft, okay? So now we are gonna do the what we can say, the ball shape, whatever size you want you can do like that, okay? So yeah guys, as I told you can use any of a shape, as I have kept here, no, the cylinder. So you can use like that also, whatever you can use, no issues. A round, ball, triangle, that's your wish, anything you can make, okay? Sorry, please don't mind it how I'm doing, okay? Sorry, some bloopers will happen, I'll be posting, okay? Okay, so now like this only you have to complete this full draft and I'll just come back, okay? So yeah guys, successfully we have completed our nuggets. So now next step you have to just put it in the corn flour powder, and we have to fry it. So yeah guys, oil is ready here, so it's fully warm, and here we have the breadcrumbs, and which we have done the potatoes and the corn flour. So now what we are gonna do it is, so yeah guys, this is the corn flour powder which I showed you. Sorry I was unable to show you how to mix it. So just the corn flour powder with just mix with water and salt. So now what we are gonna do it, we'll see now. So yeah guys, so here are the ingredients. I'm just gonna take a piece of potato ball which I have done. So I'm just gonna dip in this, okay? Dip it nicely, and now just put it to the breadcrumbs, okay, like this. To just do it like this, okay? Now slowly I'm gonna put in the oil. Okay, I'm a bit scared, please don't mind it. So yeah guys, we have put one. So after doing everything, I'll be back with you. So yeah guys, finally we have completed our potato nuggets. So for decoration I have kept the chili sauce, whatever you need, and I have kept some chili flakes for some spices. So I'm just putting, so it gives a good flavor. So I love more chili recipes, so I'm just sprinkling it. Yeah guys, as I told, the activity are delicious. uh, the snack is ready, the potato nuggets is ready, absolutely. So I hope you all like today's video. So I loved it a lot guys, it's amazing. I tried it, even you have to please try in your home. So has, if you like the video, just give a thumbs up, and if you feel this is helpful to someone, please share the video. And if you want to say some suggestion or appreciation, please say in the comment box. And for more updates, please subscribe to our channel School Library. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.